Pakistan is not just a dream, but a symbol of sacrifice. A symbol of sacrifice. A symbol of sacrifice. Viewers, August 14th, 1947, the day when millions made sacrifices so that a free homeland could be established. The beginning was not easy. Society was weak, industry was limited, and resources were almost non-existent. But Pakistan did not lose heart. It strengthened its army, increased its defensive power, and made a place for itself in the world. Even today, the mountain range of Chagai stands as a testament to this. Yes, viewers, the nuclear test that took place in Chagai in 1998, Pakistan showed the world that it is a nuclear power and a sovereign nation. This land is not only beautiful, but also rich in gold, oil, gas, and countless minerals. Pakistan's greatest strength is not its weapons, but its people, a hard-working, talented, and courageous nation. Respected viewers, this journey is not over yet. Pakistan is moving forward and is going to further strengthen its position in the world. Viewers, what I have told you so far, was it really that easy? So the simple answer is no, it was not easy. Pakistan had to face countless difficulties and challenges to reach this point. The first challenge was the economic crisis. After independence, Pakistan had neither its own currency, nor a state bank, nor a strong industry, just reliance on agriculture, and that too with old methods. The second biggest challenge was military weakness. At the time of independence, Pakistan had an army, but there was a severe shortage of weapons and modern technology. The third challenge was political instability and internal conflicts, which slowed down the pace of progress many times. The fourth challenge was natural disasters and problems, sometimes floods, sometimes earthquakes, which harmed both society and the people. The fifth challenge was international pressure. Because of the nuclear program and an independent foreign policy, Pakistan had to face international sanctions and criticism many times. But Pakistan confronted every difficulty, every time. This country fell, but every time it stood up stronger than before. And this is the true identity of Pakistan, to stand firm and never give up, and never give up, and never give up.